1500 Northern Ireland Railway service from down and down to Portadown. 3021! 300 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street. No, down and down to Portadown. 3010! On Tuesday the 20th of July 2021, this will be for your 1338 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street down on Derry. 3010! The 20th of July 2021, this will be for your 1300 Northern Ireland Railway service from down and down to Portadown. Yes, through railway service from down and down to Great Victoria Street. 414.